This conference will now be recorded.
Oh, hello. Hello. Is it audible? হ্যালো, ইজ ইট অডিবল? সুমন, শুনতে পাচ্ছ সুমন? সিদ্ধান্ত, অনিকা, ইজ ইট অডিবল? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Anika, for your response. So let's start. So previous day we were actually connecting with Firebase, but I don't know they have actually deprecated that what is it, the authentication key. Okay, now they are not using this authentication key. Are you getting the point? That's why the problem was actually occurring, right? So now I would like to suggest that we have to shift to some other project. Definitely we will connect with Firebase or something else, whatever, but we have to shift to some other project. Okay, means where that authentication key is generally causing a problem. Okay, so do not worry, I have thought of a project that we are going to actually work with, right? Do not worry. So now the thing is that we have to now the thing is that we have to actually work on the project. This is the final project that we have to do, because acha, Unika, what are the projects that we did? What are the projects that we did? Can you please tell me? সুমন, তুমি কি বলতে পারবে কি কি প্রজেক্ট আমরা করেছি? The first one is the home automation. The second is the smart agriculture, right? We did two projects. This is the third project, right? Na? I think this is the third project. Right, this is the third project. Now so let's start the project. We will actually turn on and off the LED, or we will control the LED using the web server. We'll control the LED using web server. Okay, using web server. using web server. Let's move ahead. Okay, LED on off using web server. Let's move ahead. So what is the process that we are going to follow over here? What is the process that we are going to follow over here? Means here we are going to control the LED using web server over Wi-Fi using the ESP8266 module, or whatever we say, that is Node MCU. Okay, so there are many ways to control the LED over the Wi-Fi, but ESP8266 Node MCU as LED web server. So we need to do what? First we need to actually design the HTML web page contents in the program memory. Getting the point? We have to actually design the HTML web page contents in the program memory. After that, we have to actually handle the LEDs. After that, we are going to handle the LED. So we have to build a Node MCU web server based LED control. Web server based LED control. Now, the first thing, what are the components required? The components required are generally ESP8266. We require a LED, we require a breadboard and jumper wires. Okay, now the next is we have to write the code. We have to write the code. So has include Wi-Fi.h, has include ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h, const char, we will take the SSID over here, that you also know. Const char, we know the password also, that we have to know. And then we have a string header. Now string LED1 status equal to, by default I will keep it to off. By default I will keep it to off. Okay, const int 1 equal to D0. D0. Now Wi-Fi server 80. Wi-Fi server 80. Wi-Fi server 80, because I told you by default always the port will be 80. Sure. Next is so we have to go for serial.begin 115200 115200 and pin mode will be LED1 equal to output. Okay, LED1 as the output. One by default low. Wi-Fi dot begin while not equal to 500 serial.print this one. Now now we have to write wait, I'm doing some mistake, I think. Serial.begin, then I give the pin mode, then I give the digital write. So Wi-Fi.begin, I passed the SSID, and that's it. Next, after that, I have to write serial.println dot local IP server dot begin. Now void loop Wi-Fi client equal to server dot available, means we have to check whether we are getting any response from the server or not. So there is a method called available. A method দিয়ে আমি check করব. If serial dot println we have to find out that, or we have to write new client connected. Okay, new client is connected. Getting the point? If client, so new client is connected, and string current line. Now client.println HTTP okay. Client.println content type HTML. Okay, so connection println. Okay, done. Now we have to check the connection and turn on and off the request and turn on and off the. Now we will do the action, that is we will check the request and turn on and off the LED accordingly. Header, ঠিক আছে, string header. I hope I have declared a header before. Yes, string header. So if header dot index of get 1/on, okay, greater than equal to 0 যদি হয়, if it is greater than equal to 0, then okay, we have to print LED1 na, LED1 should be small, LED1. Then we have to print serial dot println LED1 on. And here I have declared one, দেখো LED1 status আমি declare করেছি, I have declared already LED1 status. Okay, LED1 status, LED1 state or LED1 status I have declared, LED1 status, okay, LED1 status by default ওটা কি ছিল গো, क्या लिखा था मैंने by default? I think मैंने by default off करके रखा है, LED1 status equal to off, ठीक है, LED1 status equal to वो हो जाएगा हमारा on, LED1 status value will be on. Then digital write here LED1 will be high. Okay, so this was the if part. And else if header dot okay, header dot index of get LED1 Okay, get LED1, it will be simply as the previous one itself. If it is off, okay, greater than equal to 0, serial.println, I'll print LED1 off, and here LED1 status is going to be off. It is going to be low. No, so client.println link retrieve. Nah, this is not required. Client.println. Wait, we have to print the doc type HTML, means we are trying to build the interface, right? I'm trying to build the interface. Problem, if you face any problem, you just tell me, okay? If you face any problem, tell me. Now, client.println, I'm going to write here style. Why style? For CSS. CSS, ठीक है? CSS. CSS का कोड यहाँ पर लिखेंगे, ठीक है? देखो, font family Cairo, zero pixel, text align, now button, I'll give a background color. Button, I will give a background color. So hash, suppose 006699, and border none. color white, padding 16 पिक्सल। सो दिस डिपेंड्स कि आप बटन का साइज कैसा रखना चाहते हैं, उस हिसाब से आप पैडिंग वगैरह कम बेसी कर सकते हो। ये टोटली आप पे डिपेंड करता है। क्लाइंट डॉट प्रिंटलन, टेक्स्ट डेकोरेशन नन होगा, फॉन्ट साइज 35 पिक्सल, मार्जिन 2 पिक्सल, कर्सर पॉइंटर, मैंने कर्सर को जब उस पर ले जाएंगे तो बटन के ऊपर तो पॉइंटर में बदल जाएगा। ओके, देखिए क्लाइंट डॉट प्रिंटलन 2 बटन होगा ना, बटन 2, बैकग्राउंड कलर इसका होगा, चलिए ऐसा कुछ बैकग्राउंड कलर हम लोगों ने दे दिया है। गेटिंग द पॉइंट? नाउ हियर I'm just ending the style over here, and after ending the style I am ending the head. Why? Because CSS का कोई भी कोड हम लोग लिखते हैं तो वो we have to write that code inside the head method. Okay, getting the point? Now this is the thing. Now let's move ahead. So client.println बॉडी के अंदर मैं दूंगा h1, मतलब हेडर 1, वेलकम टू वेब सर्वर। ओके, client.println I am just going to print the status LED1 status। ठीक है, चलिए LED1 स्टेटस को हम प्रिंट करेंगे। ठीक है, LED1 स्टेटस को हमको प्रिंट करना है, राइट, प्लस LED1 स्टेटस। ओके, दैट्स इट। चलिए हो गया हमारा काम खत्म, दैट्स इट। इफ इक्वल टू अगर वो ऑफ हो जाता है, सो राइट, ओके। ahref, देखिए स्लैश दीजिएगा, उल्टा स्लैश, inside this again you have to give double quotation, ओहो वेट, आई एम डूइंग सम मिस्टेक, वेट वेट, मेरे से कुछ गलती हो रहा है, जस्ट अ सेकंड। स्लैश, ओके, okay, then it will be led1 slash, we have to give on slash, फिर इसको डबल कोटेशन दे दो। ओके, बटन क्लास स्लैश, वेट, स्लैश बटन स्लैश, ओके, n on button, okay, now svg, अरे रे, svg width 500, ठीक है, then height 300, then ellipse 258.5, then cy 125.5. I'm telling you why I'm doing all these things. Then fill hash 1 2 3 4 5 6, the color for white, then rx equal to slash 47 slash radius on y axis 52, stroke equal to hash 1 2 3 4 a. So then we have to write stroke width 5, that's I'm writing some wrong code. এটা ये है, this is not required. client.println HTML and client.println. Okay, now this is the code that we wrote. ये कोड हम लोगों ने यहाँ पे लिख दिया, right? So this is the code that we wrote. Now let me compile the code first. कोड को पहले कंपाइल कर लेते हैं, देखते हैं इसमें कुछ एरर है क्या. I hope so there is no error. Still let us compile the code. Okay, hope so there is no error in this particular code. After that I will tell you what to do next. Expected, what is saying expected token, that means there is some error over here. What happened? Else if আচ্ছা তো এটা কোথা থেকে এলে extra, right? So ultimately where I ended, let me see first. I ended on if LED status, I ended that if LED status is off, if LED status is off, if LED status is off, so this was for button on. I haven't written any code for button off, so I give the else part, to give the else part. So again I have to write the client.println for button off. So I will copy this code, Control V, so this will be for button off. So PAHREF LED1, it's going to be off. Button class slash a button, and it's going to be button 2. So for on I just gave button 1. Okay, okay, href LED1 on button class slash button on button slash a slash p. Href of, I took button class, then here I took a button, and again beside button I have to take button 2. This is the second button of slash button slash p. Okay, and now this, so after else part I am going to end the, okay, so break. Now else 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 okay, now what? এখানে আবার কিছু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, কিছু ব্র্যাকেটের ভুল হচ্ছে। সো দিস ইফ, এই ইফটা কোথায় বন্ধ হলো? এই ইফটা else current. Okay, so here it is closing. After that again one bracket is closing. For what? This for the for loop. Okay, okay. But I think I made some mistake again. But let me see the loop method first. Dada. Void loop equal to Wi-Fi dot client server dot available. Okay, if client that new client connected, then current line equal to blank while client dot connected. Okay. While connected, if I have to check whether client dot available or not. Client dot, if client dot available, client dot care, client dot read, serial dot C. If Baba re, if P equal to slash n means the new C line. Okay, means new if the byte is new line. Okay, if the byte is the new line. Dot zero, then client dot println ln the status is okay, then the content type will be printed, then the connection closed, then print a new line, and if header index we dot get off, then done. Okay, serial dot println, then LED 1 is on, and the LED 1 status is going to be on, then the digital write LED is going to be high, else if, okay, then LED 1 is off, LED 1 status off, digital write LED 1 low, client dot doc type, style HTML. Now client dot println, so text decoration is none, so client dot println, font size is 35 pixel, margin 2 pixel, cursor is the pointer, client dot println, button to background, client dot println, welcome to web server, so I ended h1, then print LED status, Now if LED1 status is off, then the button will be showing on, else if the LED status, then the button will be showing off. Okay, and after that client.println, after that break. So here the else part is ended. Current line plus equal to, wait, এটা ভুল হয়ে গেল. So else if, let me give a if, else if C not equal to that's it. Now client.stop, now serial.println, serial.println, the client has been disconnected, and again দাঁড়াও আবার কোথাও ভুল হয়েছে, again there is a mistake, again there is a mistake, দাঁড়াও again there is a mistake. Inside this word server.available, if client serial.println, if client.available, then chars equal to client.read, and we will just write it, added to header. If C, if a new byte, C equal to /n means if a new byte, if the byte is a new line. Okay, if the byte is a new line, and if a current line dot length is equal to 0, okay, connection close. If header dot index of serial.println LED1 on, then LED1 status is on, digital write LED1 is going to be high. Okay, else if the header dot index of get LED1 is off, is greater than equal to 0, then serial.println it's going to print LED1 is off, and the status of LED1 will be off, and digital write LED1 is going to be low. Okay, it's going to be low. Okay, if header dot index of LED1 on is greater than equal to 0, else if it is greater than digital write LED1 is low. If LED1 status equal to off, then we are going to print the button. It will be displaying on. Else client.println it is going to print off. Then client.println else if the value of c is not equal to carriage return, okay, then the header will be client.stop. This is a false one, so let's compile the code again. Let's see. Done compiling. So nothing is wrong. Nothing is wrong. Okay, nothing is wrong. So we will start a connecting the device. So we can start connecting the device. But before connecting the device, I will show you that let's take a break because it's already 6. So we'll take a 5 minutes and then we will start this connecting. Start connecting with the server. Okay, what do you say? Let's take a break. Right, everybody, please take a break and we will start with a fresh mind after 5 minutes. Okay. Hello, we are back again. We are back again. Let's start again. So the whole code is written, and here I just need to see where the LED is actually connected. The LED is actually connected with a D0. So I'll connect the longer leg of the LED to D0. I'll connect the longer end of LED to D0 and the shorter end to the ground as we know as usual. So first let me see. Dadao. So it will be 3.3 volt and ground. It will be 3.3 volt and ground. Okay, so our LED is ekdam perfect, 100% perfect. Now I will connect it to D0. Okay, and then I will connect it to ground. Okay, now I will upload the code into the board. Let's upload the code into the board, and we have to wait. Let's upload the code into board. Okay, so we have uploaded the code into the board. After uploading the code into the board, the moment the code gets uploaded into the board, then I will tell you what to do next. Then I will tell you what to do next. Okay, then I will tell what to do next. Okay, so it has been, wait just a second. We have to wait till the code gets uploaded to the board again. Okay, yes, now it has been uploaded. The code has been uploaded to the board. Code has been uploaded to the board. After the code has been uploaded to the board, next we have to do what? And we have to open the serial monitor. 9600 baud rate হচ্ছে. Okay, client disconnected. Why? Client disconnected. But let me see the code first. I think there is some problem. Everything looks perfect. What is the problem? Okay, because everything is okay, then what is the problem over here? It should not happen actually. Okay, anything, whatever. Let me see it first. Problem with the brackets. Okay, এবার দেখো তো, একবার তোমরাও দেখো তো, what is the problem? First we have included ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. After that we have created a SSID. ওহো, না SSID দিয়েছি না পাসওয়ার্ড দিয়েছি, কিছুই তো দিইনি। ঠিক 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 দেবজ্যোতি, একদম ঠিক বলেছো, SSID পাসওয়ার্ড কিছুই তো দিইনি। তো আলটিমেটলি এটা কানেক্ট হবে কি করে? It will never get connected, never ever. Okay, so wait, let's go to the file again. Let's go to file again, and after going to file, oh কি হলো, হ্যাং হয়ে গেল ল্যাপটপটা। Wait. The laptop simply hang, এটা তো হ্যাং হয়ে গেল। Yeah, so wait, let's go to the file. So the laptop simply hang. I don't know actually what is going on. Okay, so এটা সেভ আছে তো? ওকে, দাঁড়াও আমি একবার একটা কাজ করি। Okay, let me go to the task manager. So Java is running. I have to close this Java first. Okay, I have to close this Java first. চলো এটা বন্ধ করি, আবার এটা ওপেন করি। Okay, let me open this particular Arduino IDE. For that we will actually না এখানে তো আছে December 10 we have this, so yes, this everything is perfect over here. I'm happy to see this, everything is perfect. Let's copy this geo file. Let's copy the geo file SSID, Control V. Let's copy this password. Let's copy the password. Okay, so that's it, done. Now we will upload the code into the board. We'll upload the code into the board. Chalo, let's upload the code into the board. Okay, we'll upload the code into the board. We have to wait for a bit, and after that we will open the serial monitor. Okay, let's the code get uploaded into the board. Hope so everything will be fine. Okay, so the code has been uploaded. Now let's open the serial monitor. Daro. Here baud rate is very less. Okay, now client disconnected again. Why? Why it's showing? Why it is showing that client disconnected? Why it is showing? This should not happen. There is a problem with the bracket, I think, but everything is okay. Then still, it must not show these types of errors, but still, it's giving of error. Definitely, there is a problem with the bracket. Definitely, there is a problem with the bracket. Apart from this, there is nothing, no error. Okay, there is no error. This is the problem. Wait, let me see first. Wait, let me see. যতক্ষণ আমি দেখবো না কিন্তু এটা হবে না। Wait, let me see. So here so everything is the perfect. Everything is perfect. Then what is the problem? Everything is perfect over here. Everything is okay. Then what is the problem over here? SSID পাসওয়ার্ড ঠিকই তো আছে। আচ্ছা দেবজ্যোতি, তুমি তখন বলছিলে না? I don't know why it is hanging actually. পুরো হ্যাং হয়ে যাচ্ছে ল্যাপটপটা, আজকে প্রচুর প্রবলেম হচ্ছে। ঠিক আছে, এনিওয়ে, বাট এই প্রজেক্ট আজকে করবোই আমরা। উই উইল ডু দিস প্রজেক্ট এনিহাউ, উই হ্যাভ টু ডু দিস প্রজেক্ট, আদারওয়াইজ ইট ইজ গেটিং ডিলেড। ওকে, ইট ইজ গেটিং ভেরি ডিলেড। চার্জ কেন? চার্জে কি হলো আবার? আচ্ছা 14% আছে, থাকুক থাকুক। আগে আমরা প্রজেক্টটাকে রান করাই। ওকে, দাঁড়াও, ফার্স্ট লেট মি রান দ্য প্রজেক্ট। After we run the project, then only we will do something. Wait, let me go to the task manager again. দাঁড়াও দেবজ্যোতি, আজকে এটা করতেই হবে, ঠিক আছে? যাই করে এটা করতে হবে আজকে, সে যাই হোক। However, we have to do this project today. Whether there is a problem with the laptop or whether there is problem with anything, or if it exceeds 7 p.m., then also we have to do this project. Let me upload the code to the board first. What happened again? Expected declaration before token. What is the problem? Expected declaration before token. Now line number how much? Error, expected declaration before token. So this is a whatever data counter. If this one, if client, this one void loop, this one not required. Put the code into the board again. Let's see again. মনে হচ্ছে চার্জে দিতেই হবে। ওয়েট ওয়েট Right, now let's open the serial window. Okay, দাঁড়াও এখানে আবার ভুল হচ্ছে, বর্ডারটাকে বেশি কাজ করতে হবে। লাইন ডিসকানেক্টেড। How is it possible? I think there is some infinite loop. So actually, what is going on? দেখা যাচ্ছে কি কোনো ব্র্যাকেটে বা কিছুতে? Okay, can you find it? So if there is some problem with the brackets, that's it. That I'm telling 100%. No other problem. No other problem apart from this. Find any problem. দাঁড়াও একটু HTML কোডটাকে আমি চেঞ্জ করি। আচ্ছা এখানে দুটো আছে, এটাকে একটাকে সরাই। ESP8266 Wi-Fi.h. Right, let me upload the code into the board again. Let's start again. Let's see. Copy the code again. Okay, the code has been uploaded. The code has uploaded. So the window. কিছুই তো দেখা যাচ্ছে না। লেটস সি। হ্যাঁ দেবজ্যোতি, কোনো এরর কিছু দেখতে পাচ্ছো? কিছু দেখা যাচ্ছে গো? If you find anything, Wait. I'm checking. Let me see. There is no problem with this code, but actually, this thing. Yes, if condition is not satisfying. If condition is not satisfying. দাঁড়াও আমার কাছে আর একটা কোড আছে, হ্যাঁ, ওই কোডটাকে আমি দিচ্ছি। Okay, I have taken this code. Okay, I will just copy paste this code. Wait. I've got another code. এই কোডটা এতটাও ইয়ে নয়, it's very simple. Okay, so here I just need to replace this, and I need to contain it to LED connected to D0. Wait. Now, দিলাম তোমার, দেখে না, I think হাফ কোড এলো, চ্যাটে এর বেশি যাবে না। It is still here. So from here I'm doing once again. Now second পার্টটা আমি পাঠিয়ে দিলাম। নাও যাও, এটা বসে বসে দেখো এবার, ঠিক আছে? Let's see. Hope so there will be no problem in this. Okay, let's upload the code into the board. Let's upload the code into the board. Let's see now what code that we are going to get. একটু স্লো আছে ইন্টারনেট কানেক্টিভিটিটা। The internet connectivity is okay. So let's wait. Just wait. The moment it gets, yeah, done uploading. Done uploading. Okay, done uploading. That's it. Done, completed. Okay, now let's open the serial window. Let's open the serial monitor. Hope so this code will work. See, this code is working. Okay, it's a very simple code. We have to copy this. What's good? 193, 192, 168, 255, 33, 192, 168. Will be okay. So this is the thing. Click on এ ক্লিক করলে এটা কি অন হচ্ছে? দাঁড়াও আগে আমি চেক করি। অন, অফে ক্লিক করলে কি অফ হচ্ছে? ইয়েস। দাঁড়াও, ওয়েট, আই উইল শো ইউ নাও। ওয়েট, জাস্ট আ সেকেন্ড, ওয়েট। Muted? Wait. Just wait. So by mistake, I just muted it. Oh, anyway. So this is the node MCU. I've connected it to D0, right? As you can see, I've connected it to D0. Now, the moment I will click on the on button, you can see the LED is off. Again, when I click on the on button, it's glowing. When I click on this off, right? How is it clearly visible to everybody? দেবজ্যোতি এবার ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে? Yes. Now the thing is that তোমরা এবার বলবে যে কোডটায় আমরা কি করব, what I did in this code. See, this code is pretty simple. Actually, in the previous code I included a lot of what to say, HTML code. I included lots and lots of HTML code. That's why HTML code, okay, maybe there was some mistakes, right? But this code is pretty simple. It is very simple. See, I'm showing you in this particular code the same thing. LED is connected to 16, means D0, server port is 80, baud rate is 1,15,200, LED is output, and by default it is always low. Connected to the internet, when it is connected to the internet, okay, definitely we are going to get the local IP address. The moment we get the local IP address, we have to copy paste the following in the URL, okay, in the browser, okay, in the browser. After that, we have to check whether there is any response from the server or not. If there is a response from the server, if not response from the server, okay, which will be stored in a variable called client, which is an object of Wi-Fi client class, then it will return nothing, okay. And if not client dot available, there will be a delay of 1 second. That's it. Means waiting for the new client. Else the request client dot read string until carriage return. So the request will be printed whether it is on, off, whatever. That after that it will be flushed, and by default the value inside value it is stored low, means 0. The value is actually 0 behind low, okay. And if it is not equal to -1, then the LED will be high and the value will also be high. And if the request dot index of LED off will be -1, then digital write LED will be low and value will be low. This is how we create the HTML page, a simple HTML page just for creating 2 buttons. I think this code is pretty simple and it is very nice also. Previous code ta onekta iye hoye gechilo, mane complex hoye gechilo, tai na? And after that, that's simple. If you want to give a delay, then it's okay. If you don't want to give the delay, remove it, just remove it and write client disconnected. That's it. This part is also optional, these 2 parts, just for understanding. Otherwise, if you want, you can remove these 2 parts. তাই না দেবজ্যোতি? অসুবিধা আছে বলো। ক্লায়েন্ট ডট প্রিন্টএলএন, দেখো এই ক্লায়েন্ট ডট প্রিন্টএলএন যেটা করছি বলে হ্যাঁ, এই সিরিয়াল মনিটরটাতে এটাই প্রিন্ট হচ্ছে। দেখো ব্রাউজার থেকে যা রেসপন্স আসবে না, ব্রাউজার ফ্রম ব্রাউজার রেসপন্স, আরে এটা তো ডাবল কোটেশন, এটা ডাবল কোটেশন স্ট্রিং তো। empty line, this one empty line, new line, means second time when the request or response will be send, it will be by giving a gap of 1 line, so that we can understand. Apart from this is nothing. Yes. So now I hope your doubts are clear. Devajyoti, do you have any other doubt? দেবজ্যোতি আর কোনো অসুবিধা আছে? নো। আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে, তাহলে এটাকে একটা প্রজেক্টে অ্যাড করো, LED on off using web server, LED control using web server, ঠিক আছে? এবার গ্রুপে লেখো তো টুডেস টপিক LED control using web server। দেবজ্যোতি কাইন্ডলি একবার গ্রুপে লিখে দাও ভাই, একবার গ্রুপে লিখে দাও টুডেস টপিক LED control using web server। তাহলে আমাদের টোটাল 3টে প্রজেক্ট হলো, 3 প্রজেক্ট, okay, 3 project. One more project we will do, okay, one more project we will do, and what is that project I will tell you afterward. We will do in the next class. Chalo, Firebase niye to holo na, we cannot do with the Firebase, but I will do one more thing with Firebase. I'm trying to do with Firebase something. Let's see what Firebase is permitting actually, okay, what Firebase is actually permitting. টপিক ইজ এলইডি কন্ট্রোল ইউজিং ওয়েব সার্ভার। ওকে, ডান ডান, চলো ঠিক আছে, খুব ভালো কাজ করেছো। এটা নিয়ে হলো। তাহলে আজকে আর আমি কিছু করাচ্ছি না, তাই তো? দেবজ্যোতি কি বলো? ঠিক আছে, আজকে আর কিছু করাচ্ছি না, আজকে এতটাই থাকুক। নেক্সট ক্লাসে আর একটা প্রজেক্ট করব, তারপরে আমাদের ডাউট ক্লিয়ারিং ক্লাসেস গুলো স্টার্ট হবে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, চলো আজকে এতটাই থাকবে। চলো, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি। ঠিক আছে, তোমরা লিভ করো, তারপর আমি লিভ করছি। ঠিক আছে, তোমরা লিভ করো, আমি তারপরে লিভ করছি। ওকে, ইউ মে লিভ, লিভ, নো প্রবলেম। ওকে, চলো এভরিবডি, থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি, এন্ড টেক কেয়ার অফ ইয়োরসেলফ।